Introduction. Losing excess body fat is a common goal for many individuals seeking to improve their overall health and appearance. However, navigating through the vast amount of information available can be overwhelming. This comprehensive fat loss guide aims to provide you with valuable insights and practical strategies to help you achieve sustainable weight loss. Set realistic goals. Before embarking on a fat loss journey, it is crucial to set realistic goals. Rapid weight loss may seem enticing, but it often leads to unsustainable practices and rebound weight gain. Instead, focus on gradual and steady progress for long-term success. Calorie balance. Creating a calorie deficit is the foundation of any successful fat loss plan. Consuming fewer calories than you burn allows your body to tap into stored fat for energy. However, extreme calorie restriction is not advisable. Aim for a moderate deficit of 500 to 750 calories per day for safe and sustainable weight loss. Balanced nutrition. Adopting a balanced and nutritious diet is paramount for fat loss. Include a variety of whole foods, such as lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. Prioritize nutrient-dense options that provide satiety while supporting overall health. Portion control. Even with healthy food choices, portion control is crucial. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates, measure servings, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Avoid mindless snacking and emotional eating by practicing mindful eating techniques. Regular exercise. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine to boost your metabolism and enhance fat loss. Aim for a combination of cardiovascular exercises, e.g., running, cycling, and strength training, e.g., weightlifting, body weight exercises. Consult a fitness professional for a personalized workout plan. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT workouts involve short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. These workouts are highly effective for fat loss as they increase calorie burn, improve cardiovascular fitness, and stimulate the release of fat-burning hormones. Add HIIT sessions to your fitness routine. Resistance training. Including resistance training in your exercise regimen helps build lean muscle mass, which contributes to increased metabolic rate and fat burning, even at rest. Incorporate exercises that target major muscle groups into your routine 2 to 3 times a week. Adequate sleep. Quality sleep is often overlooked but plays a significant role in fat loss. Lack of sleep disrupts hormonal balance, leading to increased appetite and decreased energy expenditure. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep per night to support optimal fat loss. Stress management. Chronic stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that promotes fat storage, particularly around the abdomen. Incorporate stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing, or engaging in hobbies to reduce stress levels and support fat loss. Consistency and accountability. Consistency is key when it comes to fat loss. Establish a routine that includes healthy eating habits and regular exercise. Find an accountability partner or join a support group to stay motivated and on track towards your goals. Conclusion. Achieving sustainable fat loss requires a combination of healthy eating, regular exercise, and lifestyle adjustments. Remember that each individual's journey is unique, and results may vary. Prioritize long-term health and well-being over quick fixes, and embrace the process of transforming your lifestyle to achieve lasting fat loss.